What up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Get the TikTok live. Get the Zoom going as well. What up, gang? Mic check. Hello, hello. All right, TikTok works. Go live. Boom. All right, perfect. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Today is March 6th at 7:13 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. So, with that being said, let's get it today, everybody. It's been a beautiful week so far. Let's see if we can end it on a strong note for Friday. And yeah. All right, Biz, we got that up. You can get the fuck out of here with your spamming content. All right. Let's see, Zoom, sign in. Let me just get the Zoom link up and then we're ready to rock and roll, everybody. It's snowing outside today. All right, got the Zoom rolling. You guys could, real quick, before we hop into it, make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Like, double tap the screen, helps a lot with the algo. Oh my God, what is up with the spammers today? Everybody on the tube, make sure to premium members, live trading. Make sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe if you guys are new on the tube. Let's see, go live. Bet. We're good to go. You added me in the chat. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Where's my Zoom? There it is. Share screen, boom. Boom. I never did it on Lucid. I didn't do it today on Apex. I didn't wake up early enough. I was tired. But I think they might have patched it. I had some people saying that they fixed it on Apex. It's weird with the wording, so it doesn't really make sense if they did or not. So I'm curious if any of you did. Actually, I see a couple people that say they did. But you'll see at the end of the day. I don't know. It's weird with the wording. They might have, but I'm pretty sure it still only applies to PA. This is Thinkorswim that I have pulled up. Good morning, Team Bull. Let's end this week on a strong note. We've been crushing it. Let's see, Gino. That's a mute. There you go, Mr. Gino. Hello. All right. I've done no analysis so far today. If you guys have my indicator, I got some updates that I'm going to be putting in this weekend as well. But yeah, get below that. Look for more downside. I don't think we have any new supply zones besides up here. Actually up there. So let's double check, make sure they're actually valid. Think or swim. Yep, so that's a good 30-minute demand zone right here. Should go to the top up here. I don't know why it didn't, but that's a good zone. Again, if you guys have access to the indicator, should automatically plot all these zones for you. That was our previous demand. That's a 1 hour supply over there. Nothing on the 2 hour till way up there. And then the 4 hour. Go.
What do you think about the sell?
I think downtrend entries look good. I don't have any demand for a little bit, so we can pop up into like this area up here. If you guys are watching my screen, look for a reject. And then it's probably the same with ES. Yep. So yeah, I'd say trend down. I don't got shit till 67.20 on ES. Good morning, everybody in the TikTok and YouTube. Again, if you guys are new, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Actually, everybody should be hitting the like button, but also make sure to subscribe and hit that follow button as well if you guys are new. Live trade every single day. Our record this week, it's been a killer week, but on Monday we caught 90 points on NQ. Tuesday was 75 points on NQ. Wednesday was 81 points on NQ, and then yesterday was 18 points on ES. So, beautiful week. Again, if you guys are new, hit that follow button. All you guys got to do, join every single morning and trade with me. Join, interact with my content, and then if you ever buy evals from Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, or Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts on those platforms. That's all I ask, because I live trade on here for free every day. But let's see if GC has anything. Took out the demand, pretty much took out supply right there. We rejected it right there. Nothing new. Go. Let's get it today. Pretty much plan is pop up in a supply, we look for reject, or we look for a trend down. I don't have any reason to believe that we're going to trend up. Perfect. Good morning, fam. You guys got questions on TikTok or YouTube? If you want to talk about mentorship, you can message me on Instagram. I'll tell you everything over there. Can you please talk about the book map and what you are seeing right now and how you would use it to trade? Right now, I see nothing. But when we trade at key levels, if we get, a lot of orders at that key level, that helps add confluence. So like yesterday when we took ES off that demand, when it started to pop up and pull back, like that mini pullback, we saw buyers put their buy orders higher, which is very bullish, right? Equally at the same time, not a whole lot of sellers. So that's bullish, especially because we were going long. Or, vice versa. If we went up into supply and we saw a whole lot of sellers, but not a lot of buyers, that's bearish. So, yeah, right now I don't see anything on Bookmap, but at key levels, it's very important. Appreciate the follows. Again, everybody on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of this little crop view that we have over here, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. And yeah, I'm live over there right now. 126,000 subscribers, 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade. So again, the tube, is BrandonTrades if you want a full screen view. Oh, did I not put the Zoom link in the mentorship? Let's see. There we go. Boom. Boom. I don't know why my eye is like watering. It's watering and blurry. It's probably because I got an eyelash in it. That would make sense. Y'all ready to crush it today? Let's get this bag. NQES, GC if it offers something. But yeah. Yes, sir. Also, for everybody in the YouTube, if you guys haven't already, I said it. Everybody in the tube, if you guys haven't already, make sure to sign up for the free webinar that I'm doing next Thursday. So, free mentorship. Or sorry, free class next Thursday. Boom. Make sure you guys sign up. It takes like 5 seconds. It's a completely free class. Anybody on TikTok, if you guys want access to the free webinar that I'm doing, go hit me up on IG, BrandonTrades, and I'll send you the link. Dude, why does this eye keep getting blurry? It's like super dry, and I don't have eye drops. I'm gonna be blind trading today. What's up, Kamal? Danny, what's up? Should I long the CME when NYSE opens? Now, why would you do that? Yep, it will be recorded as well if you can't make it. Yes, sir. Everybody in the Zoom too. I'm doing a free webinar next Thursday. If you guys want to tap in, I'm gonna drop the link right there. It takes like 5 seconds to sign up, but free webinar. I think GD's doing one soon too. There you go. Post it up. Post it up in the chat. 2 free webinars next week for you guys. One from GD, one from me. There you go. If you're not profitable yet and you're complaining, there's no reason why you should not be in these webinars.
Takes like 5 seconds to sign up.
Yes, sir. You start an Apex account? Did you use code Brandon? Better use code Brandon. My eye is like so dry. Let's get it. 5 minutes, everybody. You're on TikTok. Now you're in the tube. Good. The tube is the place to be. So again, everybody on the TikTok, if you want a full screen view instead of the little cropped image that we have over here, right? The bigger the better, right? Head on over to the tube channel, BrandonTrades, 1,500 videos, 125,000 subs, and I'm live over there right now as well. So again, the tube, BrandonTrades. You should know what the tube is. Yeah, there's a few people that are live on our Team Bull Discord. But always, if you have access to Team Bull, then obviously make sure you join me in GD. That's where the bangers happen. No, I didn't wake up in time. Plus, I don't know if Apex ended up patching it or not. Their wording doesn't really make sense. So, yeah, I slept like a baby. I don't know why. You ever get it where your eyes are like super dry and then it just keeps getting blurry? It's exactly what I got in this left eye. Me and GD are in the same Zoom. Bro. Non-farm payrolls already happened. Yeah, I never tried it on Lucid. I didn't start using Lucid until like a couple weeks ago, week and a half ago. So, yeah. I mean, I like Lucid so far. It's a good platform. Just been more focused on my TPTs. Let's get it. 2 minutes. Again, if you guys are new, take 2 seconds. Hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got almost 80 of you here on the TikTok, and guarantee not all 80 of you are following. And then everybody on the tube, we have about 140 of you in here. I can guarantee not all of you are subscribed. So again, if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. And yeah, let's get this bag today. Let's get this bag. There's no delay in the Discord. There is a slight delay here on YouTube. So obviously, you know that a slight delay could mean the difference between entries. Second off, we do classes that are only held inside the Discord. And then third, you have access to other traders as well and a real community of people that you can talk to all day, all night, right? When you're on YouTube, you really can only talk to the people while I'm live. And then again, there's a slight delay. So that's the difference. Plus, you get access to my swing trades in there as well. So I'll drop the Discord if you want to join. Let's see, right here. And like when I travel and stuff, I don't go live on YouTube or TikTok. I'm only live in the Discord. So there's a link to the Discord. Boom. All right, Team Bull, trade safe, trade smart. Let's get this bag. See what we could catch today. Default. Let's see. I don't know why this is still on the chart. Got a 45-minute supply starting up there as well. Assuming it's going to be the same thing on NQ. Okay. All right, bet. Again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Are we in a position? No, the market just opened. What are we trading? Within 30 seconds. Let's see, we're at 67.40 on SPX. Again, good morning to everybody just tapping in. No, because I help people get payouts. That's it. I only promote the prop firms that I've traded with and gotten payouts with and the ones that I trust. I don't promote any sketchy ones. So I promote the ones that I use, that I made money with, and I hope you guys get payouts. If anything, it helps my credibility. especially because I do this shit for free every day. Live trade every day. Let's see. Right now, I have ES pulled up. I have the accounts. I just didn't trade news today. Bro, this eye keeps bothering me. Let's go. Using code Brandon helps you pass your accounts, that's for sure. But ES is kind of staying low, NQ's kind of pumping. What's up, Andrew? Mi amigo. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that follow button if you're new. I can guarantee all 100 of you are not following in the TikTok. Everybody on the tube, make sure to subscribe. And again, everyone that's watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of a crop view as you get on TikTok, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where it's full screen view. You might want to make sure you're not on delayed data, but this is real-time live data on ES. I guess let's see if we take out these pre-market lows on ES, maybe like a break and retest. See if we have any news today. $10 That's it. What are you watching today, GD?
Let's see. Actually, I just go off how spies are low.
Yeah. The Discord is faster. There's no delay on there. No delay in the Discord. Again, there's that link if you want to join. Taking out this pre-market low. Let's see. Damn, GD shit took it, bruh. 50 points. It's all right. Get a bearish close below this like 67.37 and then pop back up. I'd be interested in shorts on ES. I didn't wake up in time to try it, Matt, but I think they might have patched it. I think they patched the method, but their wording isn't clear if they did or not. Need a bearish 5-minute candle close. Damn, they caught on to the method then. Correct. But I think it's like only on the PAs. I don't know. See if we get this 5-minute candle close, everybody. It's 97.20 is that previous low. Or 67.18. Same shit. They sent me the Ultra. I haven't played around with it, though. I have it somewhere in my emails. I just haven't added it to my chart yet. I think you should be fine then. I don't know. Only one way to find out. Appreciate the follows. Holding off that pre-market low on NQ. Do have some buyers down here on ES as well, going into that previous low at 67.20. So curious if we can take them out. Not a big fan that NQ is holding that pre-market low, but again, let's see how this 5-minute candle closes on ES. Maybe it can close a little more bearish, and I'd be more interested in trying to short it, but 2 minutes popping back up, 2 minutes testing it right here. Could potentially reject off this level, but like I said, I'm not a big fan that NQ's holding, and then this 5-minute compared to the big buyers on ES as well. CVD is kind of trending up. So we'll see. You good over there, GD? Oh, yeah? Huh. ES looks like it wants to shit. No, not QQQ. Which one do you want to be? You want to be QQQ today? All right. Testing that pre-market low on ES, but NQ never broke. I see the CVD trending up on ES. So could potentially reject, but I don't think it has the what's what I'm looking for. It's not high enough probability to me. Now watch it just flush. Yup. Dude, what is wrong with this eye today? Like, every time I keep blinking, it just keeps getting blurry. It's pissing me off. Again, it's been a beautiful week, so let's not feel forced to take trades today, everybody. A+ setups only. We're currently on ESH6. ESH6. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're new. It'd be greatly appreciated. Live trade on here from New York every single day. And we've caught nothing but bangers this week. Nothing but bangers. Nothing but bangers. Good morning. And again, everybody watching on the TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view instead of the little cropped image that you have over here, make sure to head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 126,000 subs, 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade. And again, I live trade over there every single morning as well, but you get a full screen view instead of the little cropped image. So again, BrandonTrades. Yeah, they're doing the same thing. That CVD's coming up, but we're below that pre-market low, which makes me feel like we're not going to reject until this CVD starts to come down. Obviously, I could be 100% wrong and it rolls over, but from what I've been seeing in this market, we tend to sweep when that happens. And another thing to keep in mind for today, these candles, they don't look big, but I mean, that candle right there on ES went from 40 all the way down to 25. So, I mean, that was just 15 points right there. It doesn't look like that. It looks like, you know, a few point candle, but they're pretty big today. What do you mean elaborate, dog? Oh, CVD? I thought you were talking about the candle. CVD, volume delta, pretty much. Buy minus sell, buy, or sell minus buy. More buyers, we go up. More sellers, we go down. Since late 2017 is when I started trading. Getting new highs on the CVD. I don't know. I feel weird about this. It could flush. If it flushes, then, you know, so be it. But sit on my hands and wait for a better setup. I don't know if you guys can see it on the tube. Where's my screen share? Yeah, you can kind of see it. Like I said, the CVD could be wrong, 100%. Only one way to find out, though. It's a pretty strong trend down. Still got buyers at the 67.20. Let's see what they say. Video looks good. All right, well, there's new lows. 60, this like 18 level was that previous low. Want to watch NQ, see if we can take out pre-market lows, break and retest. We can look to short it. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button, double tap the screen. Like if you're watching on the tube, be greatly appreciated. We got 180 of you on the tube and only 78 likes. So if we could run it up to like 100 likes, that'd be cool. And TikTok, you guys can just double tap the screen all you want. But at least make sure you follow. And again, make sure you go check out my tube channel where I'm also live right now, full screen view. Set a little cropped image that you have here on TikTok. Tube, full screen view. BrandonTrades, 126,000 subs, 1,500 videos. Bro, this eye is really irritating me today. They bought the CVD right back up. Yes, I watched the correlation between ES and NQ very heavily. Back for day 2. Welcome back. I don't know. The CVD keeps trending higher. They bought it right up off that previous low. Volumes decreasing. NQ hasn't done much. What's my bias? I mean, 50-50. To be honest, like if I'm going to be bearish, more bearish, we need to take out NQ pre-market low, which, you know, we're holding above. We bounced right off of it. So, yeah, I need to see that if I'm going to be more bearish on the day. Just wait patiently, see if we take it out. If you guys have questions in the meantime, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask.
Yeah, if you can choose fighting to stay strong, yeah, that's the real thing here is that we're holding his market range, which is this sign of strength on TQ. Now starts taking a push higher. Again, we see this candle here on spot in this pre-market level. We're gonna look for price to a little higher, almost in briefly, and not.
I still think it wants higher. The CVD just keeps climbing, even though it keeps dropping. Setting higher highs now on it. I mean, based on what I see in the order flow, I would not be surprised if we popped higher, right? Like I said, the CVD could be wrong, but the fact that we keep trading below pre-market lows, if we want this to go lower, we would like to see the CVD going lower, but instead the CVD is climbing, okay? Now, again, I could be 1,000% wrong. It could just die right now. Okay. But if I'm going to be bearish on the day, I need NQ below pre-market lows. What I'm seeing on the CVD where it's climbing, especially because it's setting new highs, even though price hasn't set a new high, it's kind of like a warning sign to me. But again, could be completely wrong. Through trading and investing my money in the long term, yeah. Absolutely. If you do not have a long-term portfolio and you're trading, you're doing it wrong. I always execute on a 5 or a 2 minute. Very rarely do I ever use a 15. It's very rare. Got a decent amount of you in the streams today. I like it. The more people we got in here, the better it is. The more fun we have. I need to fix the filters on this to only draw when the zone is about to close. At least we'll get our 30-minute orb here soon. Wait for 10 o'clock to close. We'll have our 30-minute orb, and then can look for a break or retest of that to take a trade. Highest point of price action, lowest point of price action within the 30 minutes. You'll see my indicator automatically plotted here in a little bit. This shit, though, I gotta figure that out. We're almost at 6,700 on SPX. We could watch that as well. But again, you guys can see the CVD, we dropped back down, but it's still setting new highs. So to me, it looks like buying. Does that mean randomly go long? No. Right? But it is saying be a little cautious on the shorts.
Scalps on that ES spy market low, but it's not very high probability.
It's going to replot the 30-minute orb here in 5 minutes. I just love Chop, GD. I know, it's my favorite. You want to know why price been like this? We're in a weekly squeeze, but it does look like that weekly squeeze is going to fire down. At the close of this week, because we're going to close below that weekly 21 EMA. All the other weeks we actually hold above it, but as soon as we close below it, increases the likelihood that it will fire down. Got news here in 4 minutes. Let's wait and see what it gives. Again, if I'm going to be bearish on the day, we need NQ below pre-market lows, which actually will also line up with the 30-minute orb, and then ES to actually break the 67.20. So ES below the 30-minute orb as well. So see if we can get that. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded and you need accounts through Lucid, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. BrandonTrades will always get you the best possible discounts. Let's see, what indicator am I using? The one that I created. It's my new supply and demand indicator and my orbit indicator, break and retest indicator as well. If you guys have it, I'm adding updates this weekend. I've been playing with them since yesterday. So where do I find news? Economic calendar. Tells you the exact time they come out. It's all set in EST. Let's go. Welcome. I'm gonna just call you M. David. GC's moving. Pretty strong. Very strong, actually. All right, let's see if we can break to the downside of these 30-minute orbs based off of news. 30-minute orb lines up with pre-market low on NQ, so I like that one a lot. We can break below, come back up, retest it. Look for some shorties. We can also watch gold too, everybody. Gold's pretty strong, so break and retest of 5140 looks pretty good. Yes, and NQ futures. Yes, and gold. CVD is still climbing. Even when we're setting these new lows on ES, CVD is still climbing. All right. See if we either break above or below. If we pump up to 24805 on NQ, I have a reject up there. Nice. Boner.
It's fine, for sure. Yeah, but you know, push a lot of time. So,
Like I said, that CVD the whole time, it hasn't been confirming downside on ES. Sure enough, we pop up. Again, does that mean to take a long trade? No, but it definitely helps you understand maybe shorts isn't the best decision. Message me on Instagram. It's a one-time fee to get my indicator, but you get lifetime access and all future updates and whatever else I add to it. The IG is BrandonTrades. Getting all these notifications from Robinhood that my stocks are down. Thanks. Gold is really strong right now, everybody. See if we can get more continuation and then a pullback. Again, let's watch like this 805 all the way up to like 44 on NQ for a possible reject. This gold is just nuking right now. 65. I'm live on Discord every day. I send my Zoom in there every day. Every day. No, there's no reason to long right now. No reason to long. Have I taken any trades? No. No, sure. One more minute till this candle closes. Should confirm the 30-minute orb. Or trying at least. Again, everybody, let's see if we can hit supply. We're flirting with the 30-minute orb. I like gold a lot. So, just staying patient. It's been a beautiful week. Don't feel forced to force any trades. If we get a setup, cool. If not, we wait and don't trade. Okay. Held above the 30-minute orb with volume. So let's watch this retest, see if we actually hold it. Survey says no. Maybe if it pops back up.
See, I should keep going. So we're breaking all this is even worse. Yeah.
I think it's going to push. I think I missed the entry. On this NQ retest, yeah. I think I missed it. Let's see. I'm watching. Still no entry. See if we can reclaim like that 42 level with strength. It's not looking like it's probably not going to confirm. Need to pop back up above 42. Yeah, we're failing it, so no entry, everybody. No trade. What shitty price action this morning? I'm gonna give it till 9 o'clock. See if it gives me anything. Still want to watch that gold though. Gold still looks really good. I was looking for possible longs, but didn't confirm. Why is candle blue? Because that was the candle that broke the orb. But when we came back, we didn't confirm the retest, so you wouldn't take it. I was really hoping we could take the orb and then take it up into the supply zone and then look for a reject, but clearly it did not want to do that. I think our best bet now is to wait and see if we take out these 30-minute orb lows and then look for shorts. That'd be my ideal scenario. Let's see. If you guys in the Zoom didn't see earlier, if you joined late, GD is running a webinar next Tuesday. I'm running a webinar next Thursday. So if you guys want to sign up for the webinar, there's that link right there for mine. And then obviously I'll let GD post his. Takes 5 seconds to sign up. Highly suggest you guys sign up for both. If you're struggling with your trading, there's no reason why you shouldn't be in that webinar. But my link is in the chat. Yeah, I have videos on Footprint. Dude, this shit's so choppy. See if we can take out orb lows. And again, let's watch this gold. 5140 is ideal. 5140 to wherever the 8 EMA ends up being. Hopefully it doesn't bounce slightly early. It could. Really want this 40. Actually, I'd say 42 to like 36. give or take. We can still watch supply if that NQ goes. Supply is still valid. Let's see if we get up there. Hoping this GC can pull back a little more. Or not. Yeah, or not. That's okay too. That's okay. Just pump 20 points. It's cool. I don't want to trade you anyway. We're not going to get that gold trade. Already pumped. But super close to supply. See if we get up in there. Did have a lot of sellers right at that 800, so I'd prefer if we could push, 805 to like 844, ideally like 22 to 44. So just depends on price action. Have a good one, Yodi. I don't know. If I were you, I'd stick around though. We're right at that level, near the key level. What am I looking for? A reject. Just hoping we don't reject early off this 900 because we have sellers there. A lot of sellers, actually. 230 lot. It's a 45-minute zone, and we got more zones up here. This 805 is the beginning of the 45. Can't believe that gold didn't want to pull back a little bit more. I think GD might have tapped out. I think he had something to take care of. The white lines are a 45-minute. The other one might be a 30-minute. I think it might be, actually. But white lines are 45. Push a little bit higher. Sounds pretty accurate, Paul. I would not be surprised.
That's the best part I've ever seen.
There you are, buddy. I was wondering where you were. I missed you.
Fall asleep.
For real. I don't know. That's a pretty big seller up at 24,800. I can take him out with my order. Just market order 250 NQ. Take it through.
So is that
24,800. Big, big sellers. See if we take them out, though. Very big. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Everybody on TikTok, if you want a full screen view, sell the little cropped image that you have over here, make sure to head on over to my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. 126,000 subs, 1,500 videos, teach you how to trade for completely free. I'm also live over there every single morning for New York market open. So again, tap into my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. On a 5-minute time frame. Always on a 5-minute. All right, see if we push up higher into this zone. Just really struggling with this 800. Okay, we got above that 800. We're going into zones now. See if we can reject here. Damn, GC couldn't give us the pullback. I like this area a lot if we're going to reject. Got VWAP confluence here as well. We just need bearish price action. Looking for shorts. I want to see how this 2-minute candle closes. Could potentially grind a little higher. Still no entry. I think we might break above this VWAP and go test this line and this line. Yep. Still looking for possible shorts. Every time we dip back down in that 800, they're buying it up. Watch them still reject it, even though it's not looking all that great. ES has a zone up at 83 or 84 to 92. So if we push higher, we can watch that if we take these zones out. This is like the final place that we could reject, though. Final place is 44. Like I said in the morning, I wasn't that CVD was kind of hinting when we were trading below that pre-market low on ES. Yeah, I think we're gonna take out the zone. Just keep grinding higher. Let's just watch ES 67.84, 67.92. See if we reject up there, or potential retest of the 30-minute orb at 67.59. But NQ zone is not valid. Well, I'd say it has another like 3.5 minutes to fall back down below these levels, but it's looking like it's not valid. Put it that way. We're at ES VWAP as well. It's looking like it might come back down. We are starting to get some volume here. It's picking up. Still have another minute and a half. Have a good one, David. Like I said, if we keep pushing up, let's just watch these ES levels, 83 and 92. "15 seconds until this candle closes." Again, make sure you guys hit that follow and that subscribe button. No trade on this, everybody. Closing above the levels. We had the volume elevation. I would have preferred to see us close below 35. So I'm going to hold off and wait for ES. Hit that follow button and subscribe. Everybody on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube, BrandonTrades. Live over there as well, full screen view. So the little cropped image that you have over here on TikTok. Make sure you guys tap in. BrandonTrades on the tube. Yeah, we're not rejecting, so again, wait for ES. Wait for ES. What you seeing, GD? Nice, I like that too. $84, we're almost there. But what do you keep trying to trade? Why you red? Why are you red, kind sir? That is kind of crazy that the CVD nailed that. Like I said, we were below that pre-market low, but every time we were dipping down, CVD was going up and setting new highs. And now here we go nuking. It's just, it sucks because I don't want to base trades solely off of CVD. I prefer other confluences. Dinner's on you, Isaac. We're getting close to the levels, everybody. Just need a little bit more. We close, we close. See how much it's snowing outside because I gotta go get a haircut today. Yes, sir. Guarding grace on you. 8 more points. Yep, potentially looking for ES shorts. We did fill the gap for spies, so maybe it rejects early, but I want supply. Guarding grace is fire. Fire. Patiently waiting. Hopefully we can get it. If not, we call it a day. It's been a beautiful week again. Yeah, pull it up. What was Monday? Monday we hit 90 points on NQ. Tuesday 75 points on NQ. Wednesday 81 points on NQ, and then Thursday 18 points on ES. So, if we don't catch a trade today, it was a beautiful fucking week anyway. So it's all right. Team Bull, you guys got questions while we're chilling? Chilling and waiting for the setup. Just waiting patiently. Fire. Like I said, we could potentially reject early. We did fill that gap on SPY at 675.80. I just really want supply if I'm going to take anything. The current expiration is ESH6. I don't know. I just trade my setups. How long are supply and demand zones valid for? Until price trades through it. So as soon as we wick through it, it's no longer valid. See what happens at the 30-minute orb. See if we test it. Let's watch it. Let's see. No orb retest. Okay, we're coming down into it. Debatable. Just iffy with this price action. I mean, it could bounce. See what happens on this retest again. Sitting at it, see if they buy it up. It's got to reclaim it. It's not looking too hot though. Very choppy session. GC kind of looks better though. GC's like bull flagging up here. But we're going to lose this orb, so I don't care about it. What'd you say? What's up, dog? Again, if you guys need any prop accounts, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Make sure to use code Brandon, especially over the weekend if you need them going into next week. Yeah, I might get ready to call it. For real. I might hop on for Power Hour, though. I don't really got a whole lot to do today. Yeah. Free webinars from both of us. Sign up. For 10 years of bad luck. And you like men. I don't make the rules, I just enforce them. And you like men. Very LGBTQ if you don't sign up. Failing this level. Do I use gamma strikes? No. Not at all. Put mine in the chat one more time. There you go. There's my webinar link. Nothing on my chart is gamma levels. Let's see. Webinar link. But cool. You guys have any questions before I dip out? GD, are you staying or are you leaving? I want to take a trade too, bro. I'm fiending. I guess maybe, all right, I'll stick around for like 10 more minutes. Maybe gold can hit that 5140 that we were waiting for. If it can do that, then I'll consider it. But 10 more minutes and then I got to leave. Getting close. Gene just texted me that he was going to kiss me, so see what that's about. Bro's feeling fruity on a Friday. Getting close to the level. $51.40. I go live like 20 minutes before market open every day. 15, 20 minutes. You motherfucker. Don't you do it. Why does it consistently bounce early with no confirmation? Well, I'm going to call it. That was the setup I was watching on gold. It already pumped like 10 points. I'm done. So, GD, I'm going to give you host. Beautiful week, everybody. Monday, what was it? Monday, 90 points on NQ. Tuesday, 75 points on NQ. Wednesday, 81 points on NQ. Thursday, 18 points on ES. So, sorry not to take a trade today. We got close to our levels. Not really any confirmation to take a trade. So, I'm going to call it, but beautiful week. Yeah, I'm gonna make GD host. You guys can stick with him. I got shit I gotta take care of. But I might be on for Power Hour and review the trades that I took this week. So make sure you guys are here. I'll let you guys know probably like 30 minutes before if I can hop on or not. So possibly talk to you guys later. Here you go, GD. Peace, Brody. All right, everybody on TikTok, everybody on the tube, make sure you guys are subscribed. Let's do it again next week. Beautiful week. And yeah, I mean, couldn't ask for anything more. Have a fantastic weekend. And like I said, I might be live for Power Hour. We'll see. But peace out, fam.